Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we are at Disney World Animal Kingdom,
The same thing.
because that's my intro.
It's so basic.
Then what do you want it to be?
I don't know.
Exactly, so either you do the intro or be quiet.
It's not my video.
Anyways, we're at Animal Kingdom today. We're here to get the new magnets that they have, the Zootopia one, and then just ride some rides. Unfortunately, Dinosaur is now closed because they're not doing it to, I believe, the new Encanto area and all that stuff. So our favorite ride is closed, unfortunately. But yeah. Anything to say?
Yeah.
What? This is the day after President's Day, so it looks a little busy, but we will see. Wait times kind of seem high, but a lot of people are leaving right now, so they're probably heading to a different park because Animal Kingdom now doesn't have too much stuff, but we will see.
What are you talking about?
What?
Another park?
Yeah, people park hop.
I thought you were talking about us.
No, I said a lot of people are leaving because they're probably going to a different park.
I want to watch Winter Olympics right now.
That has nothing to do with Disney right now. Alrighty guys, let's go get our magnets.
Great adventure.
Here we go. Got our magnet. Is it still recording?
I think so. I didn't touch anything.
Alright guys, we got our magnets. Look how cute they are. Nick and Judy. Right now we are about to head to Rafiki's Planet Watch. We're waiting in the line to get on the next train. We've never been to this, so we'll see how it goes. I don't really know what it is. I've seen like a clip on TikTok about this place, but never actually at the place. We made it on the train right here, and basically it's like a little wellness center, I think, for like animals and bugs and lizards.
Yeah, this is boring.
I think it's cool.
I could do this in Chicago. So.
River hippo. This species of hippo can reach weights around 5,000 pounds. They do spend a lot of time in the water, but they will come up onto land. Over to our left, those are African painted dogs. The painted dogs, they're pretty cute. They've got big ears, fluffy white tails. So they're not house pets though. They are very successful hunters. They're very tight-knit pack animals, those painted dogs. So they work together as a pack to hunt.
What's a nice thing?
Then he's right next to the other truck.
Looks like there's a few more giraffe making their way over here. Well, being the tallest land animal, a group of giraffes. It's smaller than the rest. Judging by the size of this one, it's probably only about a year old. Those are the eland. They're going to be one of the largest antelope species. They can reach about 6 feet tall at the shoulder. Kind of looks like the eland's horns have a little bit of a spiral twist to them. There's some flamingos. One of those conditions would have to be that they're not sleeping. They're going to spend around 16 to 20 hours out of every day sleeping and resting. They tend to sleep away the daytime hours. They'll be most active at night.
Whoa.
They're messing with my eye. I don't think you can see anything in the camera.
Ooh, this looks black.
You can see it now. Huh?
Because we're leaving it. Alright.
What?
Walking out of Animal Kingdom. Be our last time here. We got some goodies, which we'll show you later. There goes the Animal Kingdom sign behind you. So that was our day today, Animal Kingdom. It was really busy today. There were super long wait times, so we were here longer than we expected. But anyways, we're gonna head home. I'll show you guys these goodies in just 1 second. We'll see you there then. Alright guys, we're back home. I just ate and tired. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what we got today at Animal Kingdom. So first and foremost, Abel got this magnet from Animal Kingdom. Since it's gonna be our last time, he got a little cute magnet just to remember. And then I got this Animal Kingdom pin again to remember. This is the Starbucks edition, but I still thought it was a cool pin. Look at that. Has like a little trees, an animal. This is Animal Kingdom. Then it says Starbucks at the bottom, but just ignore that part. And then I got this cute pin. This is the most magical day ever. And this is the pin. I think it's super cute. We got 2 mystery pouches. In the collection, we got this is the Hollywood Tower of Terror. Ooh, we got a castle. We got the rainbow. Wait, I think this is a duplicate because we got Pascal. No way. This is the same package I got of Pascal. I believe I got Pascal. And Cogsworth. I've never had duplicates. Womp womp. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe down below. And we'll see you guys until next time. Bye.